Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to Project Review. So let's get started. So maze game 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, let's see this maze game. Okay, we can just move and find the way. I found it. Uh Here we go. This game is pretty simple. Everything works well and everything is good. But you can add more features to it to make it better. Like add a start menu, level selector, and more. So Space War Shooter by Omnisword. Let's see this. Rock Blaster. That was pretty hard. Let's try again. What should we do? Okay, space to shoot. That is pretty easy. Let's try. Ooh. Oh, it is lagging a lot. Oh. Turbo up crashed. Can you hear me? Okay. Turbo up crashed. What is happening? 29,644 clones. What is going on? Like, do they delete? So let me fix it for you. First of all, do not make it like this. It will like crash your game. You have to just do it like when the green flag clicked, forever, if key space pressed, create clone of myself, and wait for 0.1 seconds. And that's it. Now you can see it will be better. You can see there are not a lot of clones, only 13 of them. And this is the same speed of shooting. So this game is good but can be better. The cloning problem has been fixed by me and you can just make the same changes to make it lag free. Other than that, you should make the art for the game yourself so that everything is in same style and also it looks exactly how you want it to. You should also replace the sound effects with some really situation related sound effects. Okay, so cracking the safe, a Henry Stickman game by Kaustubh Mitra, Anamika Mitra. Let's see this. Crack the safe. Crack the safe. Thanks Bioplant for the tutorial. Let's say play. Okay, we have a Stickman. Okay. We have 4 items here. Stethoscope, crowbar and laser. Let's try laser. What happened when someone does not have onion skinning? Please Scratch Team make an animation software. What? Let's try this. Animator was so lazy to make 4 frames. Is this a game or just laziness? Okay, let's try stethoscope. The last thing we can do. What happened? The stethoscope is not working. Other things are working at least. So this game is a joke cause nothing is playable. Please do not submit projects like this cause there's nothing to review here. So Food Finding Bird Zoo by Sarvaswad. Let's see this. Oh, what is this? We have to escape from the food, I guess. What happens when we touch? Okay, we lose. We lost. Let's start again. Okay. Oh! Oh! The sound effects are made by the person who made this game. That is pretty cool. Oh! We have 2 lives left. Oh! We lost. So this game is good but can be better. First of all, make the art yourself. Make the art of the game on your own rather than selecting it from the library cause that will look better and you will learn how to make things yourself. And other than that, you can do a lot of things like add more features and making the screen look clean to make your game better. So Borna OS 1.1.0 beta, but I don't know. Let's see this. We have about, draw, calculator, command prompt, settings, camera and notepad. All of them have icons. We have a good wallpaper. And yeah, we have tried all these apps, but let's try if they are different. this is the same. We have about, this is the same. We have draw, this is the same. Command prompt, we don't know what to type. Settings, we have different backdrops, that is good. We'll put a fan Java. We have camera, which will not work. We have notepad, we can work. This is the same thing, but with different like art. We have icons this time. So that is pretty good. The new icons look good, but can be better. Okay, so moving ball by Lily Gamer. Let's see. This looks like a basic Pong game. And yeah, the ground touch is not working. Like even if we touch ground, the game will not stop. So this game is very basic, and here are some things you can do to make it better. First of all, make art yourself. Just make the ball and paddle yourself, because that would be better. And also make a script which does not allow the ball to touch the ground and bounce back. Instead, the game should stop when it touches the ground. Okay, so Flappy Bird by Mache Hore. Let's see this. Okay, this looks good. The Flappy Bird is a bit weird, but the levels are looking really good. This is very easy. Like anyone can just complete this game. You can see I have got 213, which is like highest in the my entire lifetime. Okay, 18. That was pretty good. We don't lose if we fall. You can see you need to fix that. So this game is good, but you need to fix stuff. First of all, make the Flappy Bird yourself, or just clean it properly. Like the white outline is clearly visible, which does not look good at all. And second, make it a bit difficult. Pillars are slightly different, and that's what makes it easy. Just make them random. And third, make a script which does not allow the bird to touch the ground and just keep on flying. Instead, the game should stop when it touches the ground. So, Enemy AI Platformer by Vihan Mantri. Let's see this. This thumbnail looks good. Let's see. Okay, so we have enemy AI. Oh, the controls are a bit sticky, but good. The AI is very dangerous. Oh. Okay, this is unbeatable. Let's see if I can beat the AI. No, I cannot. This is the AI and I cannot do anything. Okay, this is pretty epic. But, like, how can I beat him? This is the extreme AI, like the hardest one. Okay, there is a lot of code here. So this project is very good. The thumbnail, the aesthetic look, and everything else is very good. One thing you can do to make it more interesting is that add difficulty options so that the player can select and play according to his own ability. Okay, so My Pet Hedgehog by RHST Maker. Let's see. Okay, we have a hedgehog, we have environment, we have smiley face, we have food, we have toilet, we have bed, and we have games. Let's see what these things are. Okay, so he's a... Okay, we can drum. Okay, we can trampoline. Okay, we have play area, I guess. Okay, so it will play. We can read books. We have food. Get food, very cool. You have apple, okay. You can drink water. We have toilet. Okay, let's see if it works. This does not work. Okay, wow, this works. The water does not work. But okay, fine. You can also sleep. You can turn off lights, turn on lights. Okay, that's good. We can even play games, but we have to first turn it on. Okay, so he's playing games. Okay, Angry Birds PC. Yeah, that is a pretty good logo. You can play games. Okay. So this game is very good. Everything works well and yeah, pretty nice. You can just make better assets and that would make the game even more cool. Paint by RHST Maker. Let's see this. The thumbnail looks very good. We have basic painting system. We have size changing. Wow, we have a preview. That is pretty good. Then we have erase all. We have color. No color if we want. We can have different colors. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, this is very basic. You can add more features, but this is pretty good. So this project is good, but can be way better. if you add more features like color selector, spectrum, control for brightness, saturation, etc. Bottle clicker 1.5 by Rudra Vishwarupe. Let's see this. IVC. Let's see this. Okay. The effect is not that good, but yeah, we have some effects. Bottles are falling, and yeah, that is good. Upgrades 5 points per click for 10 seconds. Okay, we have that for 10 seconds. Let's see how much it works. Okay, we have skin cash 500 required. Okay, so we can buy this now. We have a skin that is pretty good. So this game is good but can be better. Just add more features, more upgrades, and yeah, more skins. Also, you can watch this video and follow the tips in it to make this better. Okay, so we have Flappy Basketball by Rudra Vishwarupe IVC. Let's see this. This is a Flappy Bird game with a basketball. Okay. This looks decent, like not that good. And this is very easy because it is the same. You can see here. This is literally the same and the score is increasing forever. Like we have reached 100. Okay, this is not good. So this project is very simple. You need to fix the same level all along the way because that is so boring. And also you should add score only when it passes a pillar and not forever. So we have Gardens Platformer by Shiraz Technologies. Let's see this. Okay, the movement is not that good, but yeah, good, fine. Oh, why? Oh, the worst player in the platformers.
You can't just say that and then say nothing. Please say something else.
Okay, so this is a glitch. You can see here, this is the red lava inside the terrain, which is not good. These levels are repetitive, like 3 of them were same. Level 17 was blank, easier than level 1. So this game is good, but you need to fix stuff. First of all, fix the hitbox. The hitbox is way bigger than the player, which makes it really hard to play. Fix and make it the same as player so that it is just accurate. And second, don't repeat level assets. That's not a problem, but no one likes repetitive things in games. Okay, so this has a square hitbox, which is really bad. You need to remove this because that is the reason I was having so much trouble in playing even easy levels. So Slither.io by Ethan Arrow. Let's see this. This looks good. This is from the Mug Guys tutorial, I guess. This looks pretty good. The glowing effect is very good. The glowing effect and this color transition all the time, like that is pretty good. Why are we getting smaller and smaller when we move and eat food? It should be like the way opposite, like we should be longer, I think. So this game is really good, but you need to fix things. First of all, fix the length of the snake. Like it becomes smaller and smaller when we progress, and that's not a problem until it reaches the smallest stage. And after that, the game feels useless, which shouldn't be the case. Just make it longer when we eat and that would be good. Also, make it multiplayer. This is all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash like if you did. Thank you guys for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.